Hi everyone, this is Becky, Black Heart Beauty 14. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Essence makeup. I'm wearing loads of shimmer in the crease because I wanted to go for a really sparkly, smoky look with soft, full-on, dewy, glowy skin. And complementing it all with my big, sparkly black hair bow. Oh yeah! If you guys really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Let's get started! Since we'll be going in with a lot of dark shimmery colours, I've decided to do my eyes first just to avoid the fallout. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. Now, if you love the all-time favourite Urban Decay eyeshadow primer like I do, this is an amazing dupe. I'm going to be setting that eyeshadow primer in place with the All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder in the shade Translucent. I'm just setting it with a big fluffy brush. My tape is ready, set and go. I'm going to be using the All About Grey eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start by using the lightest grey in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually going to be using an Essence eye blending brush. A nice little epic fail of me presenting the brush upside down, but never mind, we carry on. I'm going to be sweeping this eyeshadow in the crease, and with all these shadows I'm just going to be adding and blending and all that jazz. Taking a smaller eyeshadow brush and taking the second grey shade, I'm just going to be applying this in the crease, not bringing it up as high as the first shade, but just slightly lower and slightly feathering it out. I'm going to go back in with that same Essence brush that I used on the first eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be blending those two eyeshadows together. I'm now going to be taking the Stay Natural Concealer, and I'm just going to be using that, just slightly cutting my crease. For my eyelid colour, I'm going to be taking the Essence Moonlight Eyes Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cosmic. This cream eyeshadow is absolutely stunning. It's like this reddish brown duochrome. Oh, it's so hard to explain, but it's so pretty. This is pretty much also an identical dupe for the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow in the shade Solstice, which is beautiful as well. Let's just say, if you're looking for a dupe, there's your answer. Ooh, my eyeshadows are starting to sparkle. I'm now going to be going in with the third grey shade on that same small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be feathering this out on the outer V and halfway in the crease. Not bringing it all the way over, just halfway and more aiming it on that outer V. Taking the first brush like I did before, and I'm just going to blend. I'm now going to be taking another small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be using the black shimmery colour, and I'm just going to apply this ever so slightly on the outer edge and feathering it out. And we blend. I got a little bit worried after all that blending that I might have lost the lid's intensity, so I'm just going to go back in with that same flat brush with that same cream eyeshadow, and I'm just going to reapply it ever so slightly so we don't ruin its intensity. I'm finally going to be removing the tape, and booyah! We have a sharp, crisp, clean wing. Sparkle. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. This primer smells absolutely amazing, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fresh and Fit Awake Foundation in the shade Ivory. It's definitely a light coverage foundation, but that makes it really super natural. So I'm just going to be applying this with my beauty blender. For For concealer, I'm going to be using the All About Matte Concealer in the shade 05 Matte Ivory. Now, if you want a full coverage concealer, oh my god, this is full coverage. You literally don't need as much as how much I applied. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm going to try and just blend this out with my beauty blender. I'm going to back in with that same setting powder that I used to set my eyelid, and I'm just going to set my entire face. Oh, it's so small. I'm now going to be moving on to eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Essence eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. This is a very well loved eyebrow pencil, as you can see from the size of it. The texture is so creamy, and this will just glide in the brows really nicely. I do apologise if my eyebrows still look sluggish. I'm still practicing, so sorry about that, guys. I've now finished filling in my eyebrows, and I used a little bit of that concealer that I used on my eyelids just to clean up around the edges. I'm now going to finish my eyes. I'm going to be using the Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Go Green. I wanted something to brighten my eyes, but I also fancied that pop of neon colour, so I'm just going to apply this all over my waterline. Finishing off the lower lash line, I'm now going to go back in with that eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the third grey eyeshadow on that same brush I used before, and I'm just going to pop that on the lower lash line, and then afterwards I'm then going to use the other brush I used for that dark black sparkly shadow, and I'm just going to use that just to pat that slightly on that outer edge so the bottom and the top lid connect. For mascara, I'm going to be now using the Lash Princess Mascara. This mascara is just an oldie but a goodie. I'm just going to be applying this to my lashes. Do you ever get that nervous feeling when you're applying mascara that you're just going to transfer it to your eyelid after doing eyeshadow? Oh, I get that feeling all the time, and it happens so often. So I was like, don't transfer, no. Top lashes are now done and looking fluttery. I'm now just going to apply the mascara to the bottom lashes. The eyes are now fully done. Moving on to the face. First off, can we just admire how cute this bronzer is? Oh, it's so tiny. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Essence My Must Have bronzing powder in the shade 01. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love anything cute and kawaii. Is that how you say it, kawaii? Anyway, I'm going to be using this to warm up the parts of my face with an angled brush. With the excess powder that's on the brush, I'm just going to use that just to sharpen up the bronzing edges. For blusher, I'm going to be using the Mosaic blush in the shade Kissed by the Sun. Oh, excuse me there, had a little sneezy. Taking the same brush I used to apply that bronzer, obviously knocking the excess product first, and I'm just going to be using that to blush up my cheeks. For that highlighting glow, I'm going to go with the Essence Glow Like a Mermaid highlighter. I've been super excited to try this highlighter. I'm just going to spritz my brush with a little bit of setting spray. I'm just going to swirl the colours all together, and I'm going to apply that heavenly glow. Oh, it's so pretty! I'm just going to be applying this on my cheekbones and everywhere that needs that glow. For the lips, I'm going to be using the Essence Colour Boost Liquid Lipstick in the shade Woody Rosie. This is super glossy, and it has a really nice colour payoff to it, so it's just a nice everyday nude really. So I'm just going to be applying all the glossiness to my lips. Sorry for the different layout, I nearly actually forgot to film this bit. I'm just going to finish my whole face with the Essence Glow to Glow Illuminating Spray for that dewy, soft look. And that is it, my lovelies. That is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was so much fun to film. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Also, put in the comments below, what's your favourite Essence product of all time that you can absolutely not live without? I would absolutely love to know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!